Hello everyone, welcome back to my computer project. This is actually take two because it turns out instead of starting a recording, I stopped the recording. And so hopefully this doesn't work as badly as it did the first take. So basically this is my board for controlling the control word. So this ties into all the modules. At the moment it's just four, well actually two. It's the register A and register B. So we've got read at register A, read register B, read register A, write register A, read register B, write register B. And I can change that with these switches in one mode. The other mode, if I click that, that's basically the clock. It will swap to the default states. It doesn't quite work. There's a glitch. It will just read a bunch of like all ones, and I'm not sure what's causing that yet. But yeah, I'm gonna show you transferring data from one register to another register. Actually, from the front panel to one register, then from that one register to another register. So I've already got the first 4 bits set on the bus. So if I need to enable the bus. Okay, so there you go. So that's me reading into register A from the bus. If I turn it off, I can now turn the bus off. Now I can write register A, and it's causing the bug again. What is that bug? I really don't know what that bug is. It's not meant to do that. Right, register A, read. Let's try reading register B first, and then write register A. Okay, let's do this the other way. Right, let's do register B, because I know register B works. So we read register B, and now we're gonna write register B to the bus and read register A. And you'll see we have transferred the first 4 bits from the front panel to register B, and then we've transferred the data from register B to register A with just those 4 switches. Well, and the 5th switch on the front panel. So that was actually all I was able to get done in the past week. I've been working on a few other things, but on this, that's all I was able to get done. So I need to tie up register C and have a look at the output register, because I'm not sure how I did that, because it was a while ago and it's different than these ones. So I'm not entirely sure what it's doing. It is outputting to display register constantly, but I want to output to the bus selectively, and I'm not sure if I've got a pin out for that or if that's what I'm directly doing here. I think I have a pin out. There's some green wires there that aren't doing anything, but they might actually be inputs from the bottom to the top. It's hard to tell. Yeah, I can't work it out. Although that's the ALU, wouldn't actually go directly to the output register. I don't know, I'll work it out. But yeah, because the reason I have 3 registers, and the reason why being able to swap values between them is important, is because A and B register go into the ALU, and the value of the ALU is put out to the bus. Now I want that value in register A, but I can't output it from the ALU directly into register A, because the register A is directly tied to the ALU, so it'll just be a loop. And I mean, maybe I can make an instruction that does that, because it would basically produce a random number. That'd be quite helpful. But yeah, so what I want to do is A and B go into the ALU, and the ALU outputs its value to the bus, and then it goes into register C. After we've done that, we can output from register C and then input that into register A, which is just the operation you just saw then. And that would basically give register A the value from the ALU, making it an accumulator, even if it's a bit hacky. But yeah, it'll work. I'm not sure how it'll work with this, because I don't know if the issues turn. Yeah, see, look, it lost the data. It shouldn't have lost the data, because that was in the same state as that's in. So all off. It shouldn't have done anything, but yeah, it's just producing random numbers. Anyway, yeah, so that's sort of what this is designed to do. Obviously I need to fix it, because it might not just be this board that's got the issue. Like, if I built a control when it's automatic, and it's got like, it does all this automatically, it goes through the instruction, this issue might persist. It might still be an issue. So I need to work out what it is on this board so that when I do that, it doesn't glitch out. It smoothly transitions from this set of this set of commands to this set of commands. And yeah, I'm not sure why it does. I might need to put some capacitors on the bases of these, so there's no, because like what might be happening is that there's a slight disconnect between this switch. So when you're switching from one side of this to the other side, it might disconnect for a split second. So I might need to put a capacitor on here, or two capacitors on here, just to hold that state. But then you've got the problem that that state's going to overlap. I don't know, it's really complicated. Maybe if I tie the outputs together with a capacitor, it would swap. I don't know, I'll have to look into it. I'm not sure I can do that in a simulator, like have a slightly disconnected state. I have to have a look. But yeah, I think that might be what it is, because look, it doesn't do it all the time. I don't know, it's a mess. But yeah, if I need to work out what these issues are, so I'm glad I made this because it lets me do that. But yeah, hopefully this is a little more expanded next week and it's fixed, and I can show you something more interesting like an actual program. But yeah, we'll see. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.